Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove text from videos in Capcut. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, make sure that you are using the latest version of Capcut application. Then open the Capcut application, and then tap on this new project. Now you can see this option here besides audio, the text option. Just simply tap on this text. And now you can see this dance text here. Just simply select this, and you can see these options. You just have to click on this cross or delete button here. When you click on it, you can see your text has been deleted. And now you can easily export your video or photo without text. So that's basically how you can remove text from videos in Capcut. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.